Good morning. How are you, Hannah? How are you? Yeah. You're looking good this morning. What? What? Oh. You see your little friend? Uh-oh. Do you want to play with your little friend, huh? Look, little blackbird. Whee! 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 Aw. You're not gonna hurt him, are you? That's your friend. That's your friend. You're kind of rough on him, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oop. Got rid of him. Where'd he go? Whoop, you dropped him. Oh, there he is. There he is. Here. Oh my gosh. That's not very nice. You're going to tear his beak off. I know. You're the boss. You're the boss. Come on, Hannah. Come on. You want to come with me? Hannah, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Here. Whee! Ah! No. Look what you did to his beak. Okay, okay. That's enough.